Dear Dad, I just want to let you know that I love you and that I appreciate you. You have been a great dad.
You're the best dad in the whole world. I love you.
Thank you for playing basketball with me. Thank you for helping me with my projects and playing with me and my sister, AJ.
Dada. Dada. Dada.
And if someone should ask how much you mean to me, I would tell them you are irreplaceable.
Daddy, you've been my best friend, best supporter. I love you, Daddy.
Daddy, I love you so much.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Daddy, remember when you bought me my first little bike? You taught me how to ride it. When I fell, you helped me get back up to try again.
My daddy is so special. He is brave and strong and smart. That is why I love him so with all my little heart.
Happy Father's Day to my daddy because he is special to me in every single way.
Daddy, how can I thank you for your sacrifices, patience, and support? See, I have made prints of my tiny little feet so you can remember when I was so tiny and sweet. I will grow so fast, but my love for you will always last. To Daddy with love.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. I love you.